The best tech gadgets to improve your sleep. The best tech gadgets to improve your sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being. Unfortunately, many of us struggle to get the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Whether it's stress, anxiety, or a busy schedule keeping us up late, sleep deprivation can have a negative impact on our physical and mental health. Luckily, technology has come a long way in designing gadgets that can help us improve our sleep quality. In this article, we'll take a look at some of the best tech gadgets to improve your sleep. 1. Smart beds. One of the latest innovations in sleep technology is the smart bed. These beds use sensors and other technologies to monitor your heart rate, breathing, and body movement while you sleep. Some models also offer personalized sleeping tips and techniques to help you get a more restful night's sleep. 2. White noise machines. White noise machines are designed to block out unwanted noise and create a peaceful environment. They use sound therapy to relax the mind and help you fall asleep faster. Some models even offer custom sound settings, so you can choose the perfect tone and volume for your needs. 3. Smart lighting. The right lighting can make all the difference when it comes to getting a good night's sleep. Smart lighting systems use LED bulbs that can be controlled through a mobile app. You can set the lights to dim gradually in the evening, creating a relaxing atmosphere that promotes sleep. Similarly, in the morning, the lights can slowly increase to simulate a sunrise, helping you wake up naturally and feeling refreshed. 4. Sleep tracking devices. Sleep tracking devices are becoming increasingly popular as people look for solutions to their sleep struggles. These devices use sensors to monitor your sleep patterns, recording how long you sleep, how many times you wake up, and how deeply you sleep. The data collected is used to create a sleep score that can help you track your progress and adjust your habits accordingly. 5. Smart mattresses. Smart mattresses use sensors to monitor your sleeping patterns, allowing them to adjust firmness, support, and even temperature to ensure that you get the most restful sleep possible. Some models even offer adjustable bases, so you can get into the perfect sleeping position and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. 6. Sleep headphones. Sometimes, we need a little extra help to fall asleep. Sleep headphones can help by playing soothing sounds or music to lull you into a relaxed state. These headphones are designed to be comfortable to wear all night, and some models even use bone conduction technology, delivering sound through your cheekbones, so your ears are free to breathe. 7. Smart alarms. Waking up to a blaring alarm can be a jolting experience, leaving you feeling groggy and grumpy. Smart alarms can help by waking you up gradually, using gentle sounds that increase in intensity over time. Some models even offer additional features like a sunrise simulation or customizable sounds and melodies. 8. Air purifiers. Air purifiers can help to reduce the amount of dust, pollutants, and allergens in the air in your bedroom. This can make it easier to breathe and reduce the risk of allergies or respiratory problems that can interfere with sleep quality. Many models also offer additional features like UVC sanitizing and aromatherapy, making them a versatile addition to any bedroom. 9. Sleep aids. In addition to smart gadgets and devices, many sleep aids can help to improve your sleep quality. These may include supplements like melatonin or valerian root, aromatherapy oils, or herbal teas designed to promote relaxation and sleep. Be sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new sleep aids, especially if you're taking any medications or have underlying health conditions. 10. Sleep masks. Finally, sleep masks can be an excellent addition to your sleep routine, especially if you